Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable app lock feature in WhatsApp in 2025 update. So you just need to open your WhatsApp and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that and then go to settings. Now here we need to go to the second option which says privacy and then we need to scroll down and we have this option called app lock. The moment we click on that, it will say unlock with biometric. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprint or other unique identifiers. The moment you click on that, it will ask for the biometric. You can do it like after a minute or immediately or after 30 minutes. Whatever you feel like, whatever you're comfortable with, you can select that. I will select after 1 minute and this is how you can turn on the app lock feature in WhatsApp. It's a great feature if you keep your phone outside sometime. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.